What's up? This is Sameer and you're watching the another episode of my series called Am I Still in 2020? In this video, we are going to see the unboxing and review of the first ever iPhone with 3D touch. That is iPhone 6s. So let's get started. iPhone 6s has a wide range of colors starting from rose gold, gold, silver and space gray. It has capacities from 16GB, 32GB, 64GB and 128GB. The size and height. Height is 138.3mm, width is 67.1mm, weight is 143 grams. Display. It has a Retina HD display with 3D touch, 4.7 inch, and it has a pixels resolution by 750. It has full RGB standard, display zoom, reachability, fingerprint resistance, oleophobic coating on front, support for display of multiple languages and characters simultaneously. It has the chip of A9 with 64-bit architecture. Let's do the unboxing. This is the iPhone 6s 16GB rose gold color. I think this guy had bought from Middle East because it has some writings in Arabic. Assembled in China. So this is the rose gold color. So this is this box is so fat. I bought this on eBay. I like this moment of opening it slow. Yeah, got it. So got the phone. So nice. How stylish it is. Let's see whether it works. The Apple logo just flashed on. Let's see whether it turns on. Okay, I want to check whether there is the SIM ejection pin. Yeah, turned on. Good. Yay, there's the SIM ejection pin. Let me check whether there's the Apple logo stickers. Blah blah. Blah blah. Nope, there's no Apple logo stickers. What a disappointment. 3-pin plug. This guy has left the SIM outlets here. There's the AirPods. Oops, there's no cable. I think I have to find the cable on my own. So let's unwrap the AirPods. This guy doesn't know how to tie even an AirPod. Yeah, let's check it. Yeah, FaceTime and iMessenger, cancel. This guy has left the apps. Maybe he doesn't know how to hard reset it. So he also even have left his SIM in it. Let's check the camera. Good. Front camera. Good. WhatsApp, 123 greetings, megaphone. Don't know what this is. Oh, he even plays Walkmaster. Let me check. I also even play Walkmaster. It is a nice game. Oh my god, he is at level 1040. Welcome back, DJ Sameer. Who is that? Now I am at the level of 123. Take the photos. Oops, he has photos. We should not look at it. So stylish phone. So this 3D touch started from iPhone 6s and it is still going till iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let me show what is 3D touch. So 3D touch will just show what are the options on each app will have. Like there's settings. If we just keep long press, see Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile data, battery. Then files, the files which are in the files app, it is showing, and mails, everything. So even we can turn into a dark mode. So dark mode turn on. So in Safari also, like if you want to scroll it down like this, we can do it very faster like this. See? And if you are at the bottom of the page and if this doesn't works, so you can just press the signal over here and it will come to the top.